Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, Mr. John Maloney.
Hey,
John,
Bob.
welcome.
Thank you very much. Great to be here, as always.
So what's happening in your world?
Well, a lot of things are going on. As you know, you were involved with bringing down the Parkway flag program that we've had in Crofton now for the past 30-some years. Specifically what date it started, I don't remember, and we can't seem to find anybody that does. But every year we put up American flags, and on certain intersections there are Maryland flags along with that. There are 76 BG&E poles around the Parkway, and each pole has two flags, so 152 flags are waving pretty much May through November. And as you know, you've just taken the flags down. We're going to go through those flags, look for those that are worn, torn, and replace them and be ready to go in May when our flags go back up.
Gotcha. There's a lot of work. A lot of work you do behind the scenes people don't recognize.
It is, and it's pretty rewarding work. We've been doing this, as I said, for 30-some years, and a lot of people were very involved with the program, and it's great that we move forward. So,
you had mentioned earlier off camera about a new program you guys,
right.
Kiwanis, have come out.
Well, Kiwanis has come up with a couple of years ago what we call the Flags for Heroes, and these are flags that are put out on Route 3 in front of Lake Louise in Crofton. What a person could do is simply sponsor a flag after their grandfather, father, uncle, brother, whatever, and we would put an American flag out there with your name on it. And those flags are put out for Memorial Day, and they're put out for Veterans Day. So they go up, come down in a brief period of time, but it's over 100 flags now are waving along that highway, and it really looks great.
It does look good.
And the next new thing we're proposing or trying to work toward, banners for heroes. And this would be similar to the flag program, except you would sponsor a banner, let's say your father again, grandfather, brother, uncle, and they would be put up on the BG&E poles.
Around Crofton Parkway.
Around Crofton Parkway.
Wow, that'd be great, wouldn't it?
In addition to the flag. So it would be absolutely great. Yeah.
It'd be awesome.
Looking forward to that. So we're in the very beginning planning stages of that. And hopefully, we've got to get that word out to people that that's what we want to do. And we want to honor those heroes that
so we want to put that in the description below this video so people can reach out to the Kiwanis, find out about what's going on.
That is correct, yeah.
So, John, if folks want to reach out and get some more information, then in the link below, who do they reach out to?
Yeah, I think you can reach out to Jim Harvey.
Okay.
On that link, he's a Kiwanian. He's been a Kiwanian now for a couple of years, and has been pretty active in trying to get this program off the ground. So,
fantastic.
Click on him.
John, I appreciate you coming in today.
It's always a great pleasure.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week on another episode.